If you swore you was gonna go somewhere this summer and you ain't been on a plane and you ain't went nowhere this whole summer, put a finger up. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shannah and this is a fashion channel. Fashion that you can wear into the office, fashion you can wear on the weekend. We ain't sharing no fashion you can wear on vacation because we ain't been nowhere. We have not been anywhere. Why? I've been to Baltimore, family reunion. Ain't no reason why. Ain't no reason why. I got a little trip coming up and I don't know how to act. A little trip coming up. Honey, by the time I'm there, it's going to be time to turn around and get back. I don't even know why I'm going to be unpacking the suitcase. I don't even know. Today's video, we're going to be sharing some planning essentials, some hacks. I work for the airline industry, so I know a little bit about a little bit. I haven't traveled this summer, but I've traveled enough to know what I like and don't like. Okay, I got some tips and we're going to share some tips today. And I just want to say, be careful what you speak into the world. Okay, be careful what you put out in the universe, because my girlfriend reached out to me and was like, hey, do you want to go blah 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 at the end of the month? And I'm like, yeah. So in my head I was like, you know what, planning, let me go in the closet, pull out my suitcase, you know, and just see what I have. And then I'm like, oh my god, I'm just over all these brands of luggage that I got. And guess who come knocking? Guess who come knocking? Level 8 luggage. I haven't heard of them before, and I asked them to send me a piece of luggage, and honey, this piece of luggage is about to replace all the luggages that I have in my closet right now. I'm gonna step over to the side, we gonna pull up the website, browse through the website a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you why this level 8 luggage just, it just answered all my prayers. Honestly, it really did just answer all my prayers when it comes to luggage, and it solved all of the issues I had with the other pieces of luggage that I got. Okay, because I done spent some money on some luggage, and one luggage I spent a lot of money on, I gave away because I was just so tired of it, tired of looking at it. Number one, let me close it, because I was in here putting stuff inside. Let me close this now. Number one, the weight of the luggage. Okay, I think this is the top thing that we ignore when it comes to luggage. We do not look at the weight of the luggage by itself. There is some luggage out there that just lifting up the luggage by itself is heavy. And when I'm going to the airport, when I've had luggage like that, as I'm at the gate, I'm thinking about, who gonna help me lift this luggage up when I get on the plane? I can lift this. I can lift this luggage by itself with one hand. One hand. I cannot do this with any of the other pieces of luggage that I have. The fact that I can just lift this just like this, multiple times, 8 pounds. I think this is 8.1 pounds, but it matters. It matters. Second, this here. How many times you packed your luggage and the strap, the pulley here, the bars were here in the middle, went into the bag, and now you ain't got space in the bag because this taking up all the space. This here is taking up all the space. How many times you done did that? How many times you done did that? The fact that this is outside, look at this. This is outside. This does not interfere with your packing. This bar here does not interfere with your packing. Boom. Boom. Okay? So, all the space inside the luggage is space that you can actually use. 10% or 15% of the luggage don't go to the bar. Next up, the fact that it has 4 wheels on the bottom. 4 wheels on the bottom. 4 wheels. So 360 movement. I have some pieces of luggage that have 2 wheels where I am damaging this part of the luggage because I am dragging it through the airport. Dragging it. I gotta turn like this. Turn like this. Put it to the side. Keep putting it with my foot to put it to the side. Gotta keep doing that. So 360 wheels on the bottom, 4 wheels. Easy turning, don't have to worry about it. Then this here, I am 5'7", and I can hold this just like this. Just like this, without having to worry about feeling like this, hunched over. I can hold it just like this. Just like this. Lounge. Lounge. Business class lounge, please. Please tell me what the business class lounge is. Love it, love it, love it. So, highly recommend. Highly recommend. Thank you so much to Level 8 for sponsoring this video. We appreciate it. I'm gonna leave you guys one last tip when it comes to like your luggage selection before we get into the other tips I'm gonna show here. Have you ever had to go to the baggage office and say, guys, my luggage didn't come on the carousel. I'm trying to see where it is. It said it did load on the plane, so I'm trying to see where the luggage is. Oh, describe it. Black. Okay, sit over there. Have a seat. Have a seat. We'll get to you in a second. So, I got this black one, but my next piece of luggage, they have a yellow one on the website. Let me tell you, ain't gonna be no question when it comes to where's the bag at. Ain't gonna be no question. I'm gonna be able to see the bag, okay? I get this yellow bag, I'm gonna be able to see the bag. I'm gonna see the bag loading on the plane. I'm gonna be watching right out the window. I'm gonna see the bag coming down the carousel. And if the bag is lost, everybody else gonna be able to see the bag, okay? So I would highly recommend that. I know that we love our black and love our blues, but honey, it's 1,000 blacks and 1,000 blues. But when you have a yellow piece of luggage, it is super beneficial. If you've had a lost luggage story, definitely let us know in the comment section, because I'm sure somebody down there got a story where they lost a black. It's so hard to find black luggage in anything. Black luggage, black bag, whatever. So I got this. So kettle, okay, kettle. I got this black luggage, but I am recommending that you take into consideration what's happened to me and look into another piece of luggage, another color, okay? Warranty, wheels protected, lifetime warranty, lightweight. The strap does not interfere with the inside of the bag. This also, once you get inside the bag, it has closed compartments and it has space for your wet clothes, okay? Because that's also something that we don't even think about when it comes to, like, we traveling and we got our little packing cubes and everything else, but at the end of the day, when you're like, okay, pull the bathing suits down, what are we gonna put the bathing suits in? So this actually has a compartment for wet clothes. It's zipped, so you don't have to worry about it getting on anything else. Really, really love this luggage. I'm going to be traveling at the end of the month, and I'm going to be using this luggage. I will keep you guys posted on how I love it. But for right now, like the fact that I can just lift this luggage up like this, for right now, this is the winner when it comes to all the other pieces of luggage that I have. Okay, here. Okay, here. This is the winner when it comes to all the pieces of luggage that I have. So, highly recommend Level 8 if you are in the business for luggage. Makes a good gift when it comes to like Christmas, holidays, things are starting to come up. Makes a really good gift. I have zero issues with this. And thank you so much to Level 8 for sponsoring this video. Really appreciate them. All the details will be linked in the description box below. And let's get into the rest of the video. So number 2, your packing essentials. Clothes, toiletries, tech gear, travel documents. Usually it goes into those 4 categories. I try to break it down and keep that into my mind when I'm packing, so that way I know, oh, this is in the clothes pile, this is in the tech pile, this is in the toiletry pile, and this is in the travel document pile. Now, number 3, when it comes to packing, I'm a packing cube girl. Let me know in the comment section if you cannot travel without packing cubes. I don't know what we were doing before packing cubes. I don't know what we were doing. I love packing cubes. I usually have the big ones with my clothes in there. Then I have small ones with like my underwear, bathing suits, etc. You're going to bring your workout gear. I like packing cubes, just make packing so just so easy for me. And somehow once they fit in that cube, it just goes into the luggage and you don't have to worry about things like being all out of shape and everything else. And for me, I don't know, I don't feel like the clothes get as wrinkled in the packing cubes than just putting them in the regular luggage without being in a cube. I don't know. It may just be me. But when it comes to that, keep your tech equipment organized. If you want to bring your cell phones, your chargers, your AirPods, your camera, whatever it is, keep it organized in one space. One space. I have a backpack. I'm going to show you a backpack that I recently got from Level 8 as well. And I like to put all of my travel, my tech things in one spot. I don't want to be like, literally, you will see a person on the airplane searching through 60 compartments in their bag looking for their headphones. Oh, I can't stay on my headphones. Tying everybody up. I have one little like case and all of my tech equipment fits into that one case. No issues. Everything's in there. Also, when it comes to the must-have travel accessories, not just medication, Tylenol, an aspirin, Benadryl, like something for your stomach. Because if you are traveling international, first of all, it's just really expensive in the airport. And you know you can get it for 50 cents or $1 at the corner store. Little single pack. So outside of the cost just being super high, because they know that at that point you need it. So we can upcharge 50, 100% more than what it actually costs in the store, because you in the airport and you need the Tylenol, you need the Modium, you need the Pepto, whatever it is that you need. So have a little Ziploc bag with your Tylenol, your Benadryl, like the things that you know you, like if you feel a headache coming on, I need to take something. If you feel like an allergic reaction or your allergies hitting, I need to take something. I would recommend having a little case, small little Ziploc bag of your essential medications or over-the-counter medication that you need. Don't overdo it because you don't want to lose it. Now, organize your bag. Leave room for souvenirs. If you are sitting on your bag to close it at home and you haven't even left yet, you gonna be in trouble. You are gonna be in trouble. If you are sitting on your bag at home, and we've seen it before, sitting on your bag at home to zip it shut, you gonna have a problem. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. You gonna have a problem. So I usually carry a second bag. I have like one of those bags where you just like roll it up and put it in there. That way, if I get to the airport and I need to like move stuff out, change stuff around, I have an extra little bag that I can put stuff in. Okay? Leave room for souvenirs. You're gonna buy something. Please don't say that I'm going on vacation, I ain't gonna buy nothing. You're gonna buy something. So you have to leave space in your luggage for souvenirs, or you're gonna be buying a whole nother luggage. Buying a whole nother luggage somewhere where you at because you ain't got no space to bring the stuff that you have home, or at the airport throwing stuff out. So definitely leave space for souvenirs in your luggage, and think about your carry-on essentials. Now, this is a backpack because what I usually do when I'm traveling, because a lot of people have their carry-on luggage and then they'll have their pocketbook. I usually try to put my pocketbook and the carry-on luggage and my wallet and things in a backpack. I don't have, because that small purse counts as one. So I have the suitcase and a backpack. This is a backpack from Level 8. Another really good one. Super durable. Look at this. Look how it opens. Look how this is what I need. This is what I need. I don't need a small zipper. I need it to open, lie flat open. This has room for a 15 to a 17-inch MacBook or laptop. Another pocket here. I usually try to put at least my bathing suit, maybe one little outfit, a couple of toiletries in my backpack, just in case I have to carry on, just in case I have to check my carry-on. So this is really good. It has several compartments. I'm counting one compartment here. Cushion, so we don't have to worry about no bends or dents. Bangs or dents. Bangs or dents. We have this here, so we have more space here. We have another compartment in here. And we have this with other compartments in here. This is, plus we have the outside. We can put our travel things in here if we want to put in here, cell phone, etc. So plenty of compartments. We also have a nice little cute side pocket. Plenty of compartments here. I like traveling with a backpack. First of all, it's not in the way. It's on your back, so it's not in the way. You don't have to worry about it being in the way. And you can fit so much in here. So I usually carry outfit in here. I'll put a couple of toiletries in here. And I put my tech things, Like I usually put my camera, my cell phone, my batteries, my AirPods, like things like that I put in here. And just in case I have to be separated from my carry-on, I have like at least the essentials. Now, don't overdo it, but you have at least the essentials in this bag. So that way you can like carry, and this fits perfectly underneath the seat. So this would be like my personal bag, and then this will be my carry-on bag when it comes to traveling. All right, so before we end today's video, let's just recap really quickly. Number one, we want to thank you to Level 8 for sponsoring this video. Luggage, 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. Lightweight, the handle does not get in the way, has the pack inside, the little zip pack for you to pack your wet clothes, 2 compartments on each side. Really, really good. Also check out the yellow luggage or just other color luggages as opposed to a black. Also pack light, pack smart. Packing essentials we talked about. We talked about packing cubes, how essentials those are when it comes to clothing, toiletries, tech, travel. Clothing, toiletries, tech, travel. Clothing, toiletries, tech, travel. Okay, those are the 4 categories when it comes to packing. Do not forget your must-have travel accessories. Think about your small like little pouch with your medication, any over-the-counter medication that you think you'll need. Think about those. Organize your bag. Leave room for souvenirs in your bag. Do not stuff your bag to the point where you cannot close it and you have no room for souvenirs. I always recommend carrying a little bag. Some of those bags that you can, like a fold-away bag where you can just pull it out if you need to move stuff around or take something out of your bag. And do not forget your carry-on essentials. We talked about the backpack and how good a backpack is. I usually put my pocketbook inside the suitcase or in the backpack, and then I count this as my personal item because it could fit a whole bunch of stuff, and it also fits underneath the seat in front of me. That is it. I want to thank Level 8 for sponsoring this video. Really appreciate it. If you have any tips that we did not mention today, it's a we now. If you have any tips that we did not mention, sometimes I feel like I'm yelling in this video and this may be all over the place, but hopefully during the editing we'll get it together. But if you have any tips that we have not mentioned, leave them in the comment section below. If you went anywhere or you want to go somewhere before the year is out, let us know in the comment section where you want to go or where you plan to go before this year is out. And that is it. All the details regarding Level 8 will be in the description box below. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. Really appreciate it. Look forward to the vlog. I will be carrying this luggage with me on my trip, my short little baby trip at the end of the month. And that is it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and see you next video.